Okay, so this is a surface cleaner. You've already watched the video on cleaning concrete using this tool. And I just want to show you real quick. One of the biggest problems that we have with this, it's maybe a couple times a year. As you're running it, you'll feel it vibrating. It normally runs smooth, but if you feel it vibrating, like something's out of line with it, the bar underneath isn't spinning properly. So the best way to figure out what's going on is you flip it over, and then you can have either you or the other guy that you're working with pull the trigger so the water sprays out, because the water comes out this nozzle and this nozzle, and these are angled as such that when you're spraying, it causes this bar to spin really fast, and that's how it cleans a 20-inch path. But what happens is, once in a while, these tips, these nozzles, one of them will get plugged up, so water won't spray, and therefore you're getting a vibration because it's not running smoothly. So you take a 9/16 wrench, you put it on the nozzle, you twist them out, and then you can either try to clear the debris out of the nozzle, or sometimes it's just best to replace them. We'll have new nozzles on the truck, the right size and everything. You put some Teflon tape on the threads, and then you would screw that new nozzle in, and then pull the trigger again and make sure it's flowing properly. The biggest thing is to make sure that the orifice is in line with the bar on both of them. So that's it. That's the biggest problem when you're getting vibration. It's typically one of the nozzles are plugged up. And even to get debris out of them, you'll have to take a 9/16 wrench, take them out, and then clean the debris out of it, and or just change it out.